In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background from animated GIF image in Canva. We'll walk through a clear beginner-friendly process so you can take any animated GIF and isolate the subject without the background. All right, inside Canva. First, start by opening a video project in Canva. From the home screen, choose a video canvas size that fits your needs. This simply gives you a timeline to work with and ensures the animation plays correctly. Once your project is open, upload your GIF file. You can drag and drop it into the Uploads panel or use the Upload button. Don't be surprised when Canva automatically converts your GIF into an MP4 as soon as it finishes uploading. That's normal and actually helpful because it lets Canva treat your animation as a video clip, which is what enables background removal frame by frame. Next, add the video to your timeline. You can drag it onto the canvas, and it will appear in the timeline at the bottom. Resize it to fit your design by dragging the corner handles. You can also reposition it so the subject sits exactly where you want it on the canvas. Keeping the subject centered often helps the tool get the cleanest results, especially if the original GIF had a busy edge. With the clip selected on the timeline, head to the top toolbar and click Edit Video. This opens the editing options and you'll see a panel appear on the side. In that sidebar, choose Background Remover. Note that this is a Canva Pro feature, so you'll need access to that tool for it to work. When you click it, Canva analyzes your video and automatically separates the subject from the background across the animation. Processing time can vary depending on the length and complexity of your GIF, so give it a moment to complete. When it finishes, you'll see the background disappear in the preview, leaving your animated subject on a transparent layer. That transparency is represented by a checkerboard pattern, which is exactly what you want. It means the background has been removed and your subject will blend cleanly with whatever you place behind it later in your design. If your GIF has strong contrast and a clear subject, the edges will typically look crisp. For best results, start with a GIF that isn't overly compressed or blurry, as finer details can affect how cleanly the tool separates foreground from background. That's the entire process. Thanks for watching.